Alright, so we're on board filming for Pelago Tackle. Jimbo's hooked up to a couple GT, and I just want to show you some Seavu products. So it's a Seavu Seeker Kit with the extension pole. I've got the DJI Osmo Action 5. I'm going to hook this on here and show you how cool this is, and we can live stream footage underwater. So when we do hook on, I can actually see exactly what's going on underwater, live, direct to my phone. Mad view with the Seavu. Alright, we're going in. The beauty of this is that you can control it all from your phone. So I can now start recording, and we're getting that live feed underwater. As a videographer catching a lot of ocean-based content, having this to be able to capture live footage like of the lures, especially coming in, fish striking the lures or any rigging, is absolutely epic. Previously, you used to drop down, your Wi-Fi would lose connection, so you can't have that live feed back to your phone. But with this, I can have the live view and see exactly where my camera's pointing, so I can get the exact shot that I need to get of that fish striking that lure. Or even just when you've got it next to the boat, you want to get that shot with the lure in its mouth. These are absolutely perfect for that. Mad view with the Seavu.